What is going on with you, YouTube? This is Regular Dave coming at you with another video, man. No introduction today. We hopping right into episode 2 of my Madden 14 wish list player movement, man. This is the dreaded topic, man. It's like a dead horse. Guess who's doing it again? Regular Dave. Yeah, okay. Now, is this the worst thing in the world right here? No. Do human beings move like this? Not on planet Earth, they don't. Like, there's the way he stopped and went the other way. I mean, yeah, he planted his feet, but it's not natural. And we know that you can show a change of direction the right way. I mean, anybody play NBA 2K13, we got a moving part. We got a basketball in their hand. And the way they move looks so good compared to the way Madden player movement looks. And I need an overhaul because this right here, okay, I know he was out of bounds, but this sideway run, I've done this in a game and got by somebody and scored a touchdown. Why is that motion even in the game? When is somebody going sideways that fast? Never. I just answered that for y'all before y'all get around to it. But seriously, this sideways run can ruin the game because I've seen it in live action. I beat a friend online with that move. So I was just showing it to you. I had it recorded out of bounds, but man, that's why I'm asking for an overhaul on player movement. Don't know if that's going to be done, but that's what we need. Now, does this look like the worst thing in the world? No. I mean, was his way that he got to the outside, was that, it's okay. I'm okay with that. But at the end of the day, man, I look at it like this. Does this really look like a football player running? I mean, with the technology and the motion capture we have and what we've seen, to me, it doesn't. Couple glaring problems. We got Ronnie Hillman. He's a burner. Real quick, made up in a Darren Sproles mode. Just fast acceleration, which they don't really show that in Madden. That's pretty much the main problem I have with this play. They don't show acceleration. I've discussed this before, that his body is in the same structure it is from the moment he starts, going forward to the end, to where he got this guy that's trying to angle him off, right? Shouldn't his back be straight up and his head bobbing? Like, we know what somebody looks like when somebody's chasing him. He's basically getting chased. It's almost like getting chased by the police. But look, he's basically getting chased. We know what he's supposed to look like. He doesn't look like that. Another problem, running sideways, man. And this is a problem that shows his head online so much that once the middle is clogged up, a runner can run sideways so fast, he can determine at the last second that, you know what, I'm about to get the edge. Doesn't work like that, man. Plays drawn up to go a certain way. Yeah, you could improvise, but you're not getting the edge like that all the time. Another thing, this is a new problem. Chill, Dave. Chill, Regular Dave. You know what, man? Come on, Madden is fixing things. They don't got new problems. Yeah, they got a new problem. It's called running head over heels. I know what it's due to. Don't get me wrong. I understand, man. I could empathize with the developers. They have a hard. That block was kind of crucial. I don't know if it should have been made, but we'll see. Yeah, it is what it is. I don't know. That was kind of wanky, but they run with what they call tension and basically bracing for impact, but they do it when people are around, not just when they're about to get hit. So they run like they're about to throw up right when they receive the ball. I think this is another example. Head over heels, man. Why is he looking down? Like, he should be looking, setting up his blocks, picking his hole. What is he looking at? Like, oh, this some nicely manicured grass. I don't know who did this job. Like, why is he staring at the ground? And it has to do with player attention. Now, here, boom, there you go. You bracing for impact. The dude's coming. I can understand that. Is this an issue that, yeah, I can see how a developer could say, man, you can't have it both ways. We're doing the best we can. Yeah, maybe, they don't have a way of now, but is it getting worse? I mean, is it getting worse, man? Tell me, have you ever seen this in your life in a football game? A dude receiving a ball and bent over like this, but he's ready to break it. Like, come on, man. Like, I don't know, man. I don't know how they fix this, trying to create that player tension so they could brace for impact and the hits won't just be outrageous, but it needs to be fixed. Another thing, I don't like to bring up old stuff. Why are you bringing up old stuff, Regular Dave? But NFL, All Pro Football 2K, or not NFL, All Pro Football 2K8. What would have happened right here? He would have put his hand out and got around Beatles. Probably went to the left. You had control of what you want to do. But in Madden, he runs into him like he's just like the dude just popped up in front of him. It's like, oh, where'd he come from? Where'd he come from? You know what I mean? I ain't got no time. Ain't nobody got time for that. So he just gonna run face first into the back of this dude's jersey. Now, I understand that I probably could have ran through that hole, but that's not always the case. The user don't always control it the right way, and you would expect for the AI to be well enough for him to say, this is my guy. He is wearing the Orange Crush jersey. I'm going to put my hand out in front of me, almost move him to the side or move myself to the side and get around him. But nah, man, I want to tackle my own dude. I do like the momentum I use to knock him down. All right, here we go. We keeping it pushing. More running to the... Come on, man. How do you get to the edge? He got people staring. I mean, this dude's staring in his face. You know what I mean? This dude could probably lick his face mask. He's so close. He's like face to face, right? And he gets to the edge. Like, how does this happen? You know why? Because he runs to the side so fast. It's not natural. It's not real. If you can run to the side that fast, hey, more power to you. I've never seen it. And I don't got nothing a problem with that, because I've seen players stay on their feet when you think there's no way they should have been knocked down. So the end of that, I have no problem. What I do have a problem is this dude's breathing down his neck. The play was designed to go up the middle. I can get the edge so fast that these defensive tackles and defensive ends don't have a chance. I don't care how fast Ronnie Hillman is. There's no way that he could change direction that fast after the play's been called for what it is and get going. There's no way. But again, Madden allows you to run to the side so fast. That's why I say an overhaul, man. I don't say fix that. I say overhaul the whole thing, because there's so many things wrong with it. And I'm not being a nitpicker, man. It's just that we've seen it done. If it's something I've never seen done, then I can understand where they're coming from. Now, how many problems do I have with this play? Let me count the ways. All right. 1, player behavior. 1, lack of polish at the end. Those are for different videos. But what did number 55 do? Like, is there any reason that he should think that he should run backwards? None at all. The play is in front of him. He sees everything, runs backwards so I can break my tackle to get to the outside. Now, that had to do with player behavior. Some of it had to do with how fast I can get to the outside. But, yeah, man, it's a cold game. Player movement, man. We've been talking about it. And I'm going to be honest with you. I'm going to just throw everything on the table. I hate being negative. But you cannot have an authentic looking football experience if the guys don't move correctly. I don't care how they tackle. I don't care how they catch, how many animations they have. I don't care how they throw, how many signature styles. I don't care about signature voices and audibles. If the players do not move correctly, the game does not look right. So I know it sounds kind of harsh, but that's what it is. Man, I got part 3 of the wish list coming up. I know people think it's in vain, but I don't think so, man. We got their ear, and hopefully they can see that we need this overhauled, or at least just tweaked to the max. I'll get at you guys another time. Peace.